Hey traders, Rishi Patel, co-founder, Master the Markets, the Elite Traders Conference and the Traders Open Day, and a very warm welcome to this video, which is all about how do you choose the ideal broker. So we've been asked this question numerous times, even over the 20,000 people that myself and Thiru have now coached in the time we've been in the financial markets. Even this morning, as we ran a live trading webinar for people to watch in on and see our live trading, they are actually asking the question, how do you choose your ideal broker or who do you trade with? So we wanted to answer this question. There are three key things that you need to look out for when selecting a broker. The first and most importantly is regulation. So you have to find a broker that is got regulation. Now in the UK, we are regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. So if you go onto the broker's main website and you scroll down, you'll see at the bottom, more than likely, if they are regulated by the FCA, they'll probably put that on the homepage in the footer, and it will say regulated by the FCA, financial registration number, etc., whatever it is. So be on the lookout for that. That's the first thing, regulation. Now, the second thing that you have to look out for is instruments. Which instruments is it you want to actually trade? So some of you may be trading foreign exchange. Some of you may be trading equities, commodities, whatever it is, make sure that you've done the research on that broker to make sure that they are providing the instrument set that you are looking for. So for most of you, if you're trading foreign exchange, for example, you'll need to look out and make sure they have the currency pairs that you'd like to trade. Generally, most brokers that offer the FX range will have all of the majors. If there are some exotic currencies that you'd like to trade specifically according to your trading strategy that you've custom built, then obviously you would need to look that up and make sure that that is an offering. So do make sure that you have a good heads up on what instruments the broker will offer you. Now, the third thing to be on the lookout for is the fees. And the fees that the broker offers are actually split into two key sets of fees. The first set of fees actually is the commissions and the swaps. So if you look here, what we're looking for are the commissions and the swaps. So make sure you check with the broker that they offer a very specific set of commissions and swaps that you're comfortable with. These are the overnight charges when you hold currencies. For example, if those of you that are swing trading or you're holding a stock for multiple amount of days, there'll be some fees or commissions, sometimes swaps. In currency, we have swap charges that are associated. Sometimes you're paid an interest depending on what you're doing. Generally, if you're buying the Aussie dollar, you'll be paid an interest rate as of today. If you're selling the Aussie, then you'll have to pay. So these are swap charges. You need to be on the lookout for what these are, and they will vary from broker to broker. So be on the lookout for that. The second types of fees that brokers generally charge, actually in all cases, are spreads. So spreads are obviously the distance in between your actual bid and ask price. So you need to find out and make sure what the spreads are as per the different brokers. Some brokers will offer a much tighter spreads, but may not necessarily be regulated. Now, some brokers are regulated here in the UK, but their spreads are very poor. So you need to find the right balance for you. I trust that added value. And until the next time, as we always say, stay disciplined, follow your plan, and trade like a master.